Aku por waklat ke belenda te. Ia berok sangut yara eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah pada ufrai dia. Kam no ke cing cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kumna lada. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kacong pi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Uba Hally war naga jela Meghalaya haka pesantren ujemang arah jarap hunriu. Ulay opdiang yaga kusnam Padma Shri naga keti jong ke presiden kiri India ke Draupadi Murmu haka jingalang penkup buram yakiru Padma kebelalong harash Drapati Bhavan. Uba Hally war la ai tilut iladi na kebenta san Snem ban penek pensa yaka mariang bat nadu udang Snem karta la Sumar bat shna penwandur yaka Jingkieng jiri belatip ru taga kerteng fikus elastika ha east khasi hills jonga jela Meghalaya. Ubah Hally war la no senyang shikadai ban penne bat ban penwandur yaga Jingkieng jiri ha umkar bat kumunong rep ula imkamai jakpo ru daga berep kuai bat rep so marit. Haga diga jimpit ko buram asa khilang da vice president jongari India umitrang ba adu bat ki menteri ke sarkar pedeng bat ki bahaya ngasem.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Snem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Snem's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is Snem's, our ride, our future.